Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the Raxiom LED headlights fitting your 2007 to 2018 Wrangler JK. It's going to be for the Jeep owner looking for an affordable and easy upgrade to light up their nighttime driving. These high-powered LEDs will make a huge difference in your nighttime visibility, allowing you to see further and better. These are DOT compliant and SAE certified, allowing you to stay safe and legal on the road. These utilize bright Cree LEDs, making them much brighter than your stock halogens, and everything is sealed in a durable housing, keeping them safe from the elements. Now these are a direct fit and swap easily with your stock headlights, utilizing that factory headlight bucket, and they are plug and play, coming with everything needed to install. Now as far as price goes, they're about middle of the road as far as LED headlights go, at just around $400, and these even come with a great 2-year warranty. As far as install goes, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches, since you can install these in about an hour using basic hand tools. So with that being said, let's hop into the install. So this is a relatively easy install since there's only a few screws that hold these headlights in. However, we do need to remove our stock grille, so we're going to pop our hood open so we can access the plastic retainers that hold that in. So you're gonna have 6 of these plastic retainers across the top of your grille. They're really easy to remove. We're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pop up the center and pull the whole thing out. So the top of the grille is free, however, the bottom of the grille is held in with a few metal clips. The way we're gonna remove that, we're just gonna tug out on that and that whole thing will disconnect. After we do that, we're gonna pull this grille away and we'll disconnect our lights. So we're gonna turn these till they unlock, let those hang there. Do the same thing for the other side. Just turn these till they unlock and we'll pull this grille away. So the next step, we're gonna remove the 4 small screws that hold this chrome ring in here, which is holding our light in. We're gonna use a T15 Torx to remove those. One thing you wanna make sure you do is keep a hand on it while you're removing these screws, because it will just fall out on you. So to unplug these, we're gonna press back on this red locking tab. Once that's all the way up, we can press down on our release and unplug our light. So stock headlights are out, almost ready to install these new lights. However, I just want to take a moment, go over some of the benefits and features as well as differences of an aftermarket LED light such as these compared to the stock ones. Now the stock ones are halogen. Halogens aren't very bright and they produce sort of a yellow light. These new LED lights are going to produce a bright white light that is close in color temperature to 6000 K. So you're gonna not only have better nighttime visibility, but it's gonna be a more pure white light. Now these use high output Cree LEDs. Your low beam will be 2200 lumens and your high beam will be 3600 lumens. So they're gonna be far better than your stock lights, and they're going to light up a lot more and a lot farther than your stock headlights. Now the housings are made of die-cast sturdy aluminum for some structure, and aluminum is already a lot more corrosion resistance than your standard steel, so you're already ahead of the game in that, and these have a black powder coating on top of that, which is going to make them even more corrosion resistant and keep them looking good and lasting through the elements. Now the lens is made of a durable polycarbonate, which is going to be very strong. It's also scratch resistant, so it's going to keep them looking good as new, even if you're hitting some trail debris. Now one thing you have to worry about when swapping your JK with LED lights is flickering issues. This is an issue caused by the computer when installing LEDs. These lights come with anti-flicker harnesses, which resolve that issue and allow you to just quick and easily install these and get them powered up. So with that being said, let's get them installed and show you how they look on the Jeep. So the first thing when we're installing these headlights, we're gonna need to install our adapter. So our adapter is going to plug into our factory harness. Then we're gonna plug our anti-flicker harness into that, and then this is gonna plug into our light. So we're gonna get this plugged in first. So we're gonna plug this next section in, and it actually would be a good idea to put some dielectric grease on here just to protect it from corrosion. So we're gonna plug that in, and then we'll have to feed the rest of this back into there. Then we'll get our light plugged in and then get our trim bezel back on. So once you get all that wiring tucked up in there and your headlight in, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this bezel, and then we'll get some screws started. We'll do the same thing for the other side. First, we're gonna install our adapter. Our anti-flicker harness. Then you want to just tuck all that wiring back up in there. So after you have those headlights installed, you're ready to reinstall your grille, making sure that you plug your lights back in. Then we're going to line up our metal tabs on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and press those all back in. And then we'll reinstall our plastic retainers up top. So at this point in time, you can close your hood. So that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.